In this chapter of CSS, we will discuss about the colors. Colors are basically one of the very important aspects whenever we talk about the formatting or giving some attractive look to our web page. So, we will learn how and what are the different ways of passing the color for a specific element of the HTML. So here we have 4 different ways of doing the same. First is passing the hexadecimal code, short hexadecimal code, RGB absolute, and keywords. As we know, like whenever we talk about a color, all the colors are made up of 3 basic colors, that is red, green and blue. So this RGB combination here will help us out in forming the different colors which we can make. So hexadecimal, short hex code and RGB absolute, that is the red, green, blue absolute, and the keywords. Keywords will help us out in writing the name of a specific color. So here is a short example. Like the first one is hex code, where we can see like I'll start with hash and then I will follow 6-digit value. Alright, that will be from 0 to F anything. Alright, like if I'll put 0 means red, green, blue, all are not participating in this thing, so it is going to be black. The first 2 is for the red. As you can see, when I put F in the first 2, it is red, remaining are 0. Similarly, if red and blue are 0, means first 2 is for red, next 2 is for green, and last 2 is for blue. So here the mid 2 is for green, so it is going to give you green. Similarly, if you have F in the last and 0 for the remaining, it is going to be blue. Now let's come to the short hexadecimal, where in spite of passing 6-digit value, we'll pass 3 values only, but again followed by hash itself. So 000 means none is participating, that's black. Again, first for red, second for green, and third one is for blue. Then it is RGB absolute, where I will use this RGB function and will pass 3 different parameters. The first number is for red, second is for blue, second is for green, and third is for blue. So again, this is the RGB. The value can vary from 0 to 255. So if I'll pass 255 in the first, that means it's going to be red, second it's for green, third value is for blue. You can pass different values in all the 3 parameters to get the different colors available. Keywords. Keywords means you can write the name of the color. That's the simplest way, but it will restrict some of the color variants. Like for example, if you write red, it will give you absolute red, not any other variant which is somehow equal to red. Alright, so this is the keywords. If you want to make some more color combinations, you can use these things. So whenever you want to give the color to the text or to a particular background, you can write one of these way of passing the color. So in our next video onwards, we will start working with the colors in a different manner.